In this video, we're going to learn how to use Excel to draw bar charts. Let's assume that we have obtained a frequency table using pivot table, such as this one, on marital status, and we want to draw a bar chart or represent the data in a bar chart. We click on an empty cell anywhere far from the table, and then we go to Insert. We have here all the possible types of graphs. Where it says bar, it's effectively horizontal bar chart. We can draw one of those, or if we want a vertical bar chart, we can click on column and we obtain the vertical bar chart. Let's draw a vertical bar chart by choosing the simplest bar chart. We click on here. We obtain this empty rectangle. We right click inside the empty rectangle, and then we go to select data. We get to this dialog box. In the dialog box, we click on add. In the series name box, we type a title representing this graph. In this case, it's marital status. We go into the series values box. We delete everything in it, and then we highlight or select the various frequencies for the different categories, but we do not highlight the grand total. We click OK. Then we go into the horizontal axis and we edit that one by click on edit, and then we want to highlight the different categories names. That will automatically replace the ones and twos that we had previously into divorce, married, part, and so on. We click OK and we are effectively there. We click OK again and we obtain our bar chart. In this case, we don't need the key or the legend because we have only one set of data. So we click on the marital status key, and then we click on the delete button on your keyboard, and you have effectively produced your bar chart. For a more thorough graph, we need to add some labels. So in particular, in this case, for the vertical axis, because these numbers need to define something. So we click on the vertical axis. We go into the layout, and then we go into the axis titles. We choose the vertical axis. I particularly like the rotated title, but you can look at the other options. I choose on rotated title, and then I write number of people in this case. Press enter, and I have my bar chart. I can embellish all the other bits around the bar chart, but I'll leave it at that. This is good enough. This ends the video on how to draw bar chart using Excel.